Who would want to change this? Never mind. You need this one. Black Friday deals are here for a good time, and I must say, this 20-inch right here, yo, it's under $140. Beginner friendly, and it has some color. The brown highlight seems to be a popular color right now. Ooh, this looks even better than the first time I did it. Here is the final look. Wait a minute. Beauty Forever, I am very impressed. Y'all see the curls? I didn't cut nothing this time. It's a very easy wear and go type of unit. If you wanted to wash this wig and then put it on your head and go, letting it dry down, it will probably look something similar to this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This one also deserves a round of applause. Okay, y'all know how I do with the updos. Okay, I got a playlist for them, but I'll show you guys real quick. I literally just pulled it back and then put it on top of my head with a claw clip. Get some claw clips. You need those for the upstyles. And I just pull some hair around the perimeter for some framing layers, and bobby pin my back with my little bobby pin trick in the back to give some coverage back there. This side does not have that. That hairline looks amazing. So yeah, I'm not mad at how this is looking on me. Again, you can wear this glueless. It's nice. We go together real bad. With the coupon. Make sure you use that, okay? Yeah, get them deals now.